Jackpot J Slots back here playing Tiki Fire, one of our favorites. Jump up there, $67,859 grand jackpot on this lightning cash machine, $7,224 major. Both of them pretty nice size there. We'll start out, we're gonna start right on 50 cents. Just looking for 6 of those slices of pizza or 3 volcanoes. Would have been nice to get it right away. Or on the second spin. Nonetheless, $25 spins here on this 50-cent denomination. $500 mini, $2,500 minor. All right, we're gonna go opposite direction. Still $25 spins, but going down to the 25-cent denomination. Oh, well, we're getting closer. We got 5 that time. Totem pole is wild. But we really want 3 of those volcanoes where we get a multiplier. A $1,250 minor would have been cool. Well, we're getting some little hits. But we're searching for a jackpot. All right, try the $25 spins on 10 cents just in case. I've had a couple of jackpots down on this 10 cent and some people swear by it. All right, let's try the $1, $25 bets. And mini's up to 1,000, minor up to 5,000. So how about 1 minor and 1 major all at the same time? Woohoo, $5. All right, 50 cents, $37.50 a spin. Come on, any 4. Looking for those big orbs. 11.25 would be a nice one. All right, same bet, $37.50, but 25-cent denomination. Where are all the volcanoes at? All right, we're gonna try $50 bets on the $1. Try to spring something loose here. Well, we sprung $10 loose. Come on, volcanoes. All right, back to 50 cents, $62.50. Get a bunch of 375s would be okay. Any 3. There we go. Nice little start. Let's get some help. Any color for a jackpot, but preferably green. Oh, I saw that minor floating by. There's that major. Come on. All 3 went by. Oh, don't be... Oh. Teasing us. Come on. Couple big ones. All right, we were saved. Come on, all those have gone by. The mini's gone by, the minor's gone by, the major's gone by. Come on. $1,250 jackpot. Gets us almost back to even.